We told you about Vertex Pharmaceuticals last night and its promising cystic fibrosis medication. Well, today, Vertex released clinical trial results showing its combination of drugs improved patients' lung function and is looking to get regulatory approval to sell the drug in Europe and here in the U.S. Shares of Vertex surged almost 41%. Now, that's pretty impressive performance on a tough day in the markets. Meg Tirrell has more on the news from Vertex and the potential next big breakout name in biotech.
The results of Vertex's clinical trials in cystic fibrosis were among the most anticipated events in the biotech industry this year, and they didn't disappoint. The stock soared, and so did hope for thousands of patients with the rare lung disease. For Vertex, the results mean big business. Analysts estimate the drugs may draw more than $5 billion in peak annual revenue. The company already has approval for one of the drugs, Kalydeco, but it helps just a fraction of patients with cystic fibrosis. The drug combo could extend the benefit from about 2,000 patients to more than 20,000.
Everybody at Vertex right now is focused on two things: getting this medicine submitted to regulators and approved and out to patients, and then bringing our next set of medicines behind this that offer potentially even more benefit forward in our pipeline and out to patients. And right now, for the next year, that's what we're going to be focusing on.
While questions lingered over the potential price of the drug combination, analysts said the data had positive implications for the rest of the biotech sector, lifting sentiment about the prospects for future clinical trials.
I think what it tells us, big picture, is that there's a lot of the science that's been playing out is working. A lot of the mechanism of action, the scientific rationale makes sense, and the clinical trials are just designed better. So we're becoming smarter drug developers, and that's leading to more positive outcomes, and that is leading to more successful studies, which is obviously leading to bigger stock prices.
If you missed today's big move, never fear. There are always more big risk-return scenarios in biotech. RBC's Michael Yee points to Biogen and Intercept as stocks to watch. Biogen could move 10 to 15%, he says, on data later this year on a multiple sclerosis drug known as anti-LINGO. Intercept data are expected in July on a drug for the liver disease NASH.
But biotech is always a risky bet, and a move like Vertex's today is certainly uncommon. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.